The water cycle. A. Evaporation. B. Condensation. C. Precipitation. D. Collection. Evaporation. The process of water turning into water vapors due to the sunlight. Condensation. Water vapor in the air cools and condenses back into liquid water, forming clouds. Precipitation. When excess of water gets accumulated after condensation, such that air cannot hold it, water falls back to the earth in the form of rain, hail, sleet, or snow. Collection. When water falls back on the earth, it is collected again in the water bodies from where it started its journey. When it ends up on land, it will either be soaked up by the earth and become a part of the groundwater. This groundwater is used by plants. Water from water bodies is used by animals. On the basis of this information about the water cycle, answer the following questions.